Welcome to Temju World. This is a 360 video. You can move your phone left, right, up, down, or you can swipe left, right, up, down. If you're on your computer, you press WASD, W for up, A for left, D for right, S for down. Hello. Yes, so this morning we're driving coming from Quinhamel. Our destination is heading towards Undam by Piquel Beach. So from the videos that you've seen from the past, that beach is called Piquel Beach. And this morning it rained a lot the night before, and it rained this morning also. But this area is very nice. Regardless of what some may think or say, it's very nice. A lot of the people here, especially that girl, you know, they're waiting for buses to take them down. Now I'm going to give you half of a story, but not all of it. So the first time I was driving here, you know, everybody kept on saying Labour. So I checked on Google Maps. I told my partner in crime, I said, where's Labour? Everybody's going to Labour for this party. Because everybody's stopping us, trying to stop us, and they kept on saying Labour. Get to find out what it means. I'll leave you hanging. Yes, so this is leaving Quinhamel, and we're heading just off the nice beaten path. So it's not that bad. And you see all these a lot of trees here are cashew plantation. So in Guinea-Bissau, land is a bit more expensive than Gambia in certain places because of the cashew tree. Every family has cashew plantation. And you see there's a little bit of empty land on the left side of the screen there. But right after, what you see now is cashew. Everybody has cashew plantation. Because from cashew, you know, you've got money for next year. And you've got cashew wine, which everybody drinks. Then you have cashew rum. That thing is like fuel for your car. Yes, so people see these roads and like, oh my gosh, look at the roads in Africa. Whatever, kick rocks. If you do not like the roads, do not come. If you're going to complain, do not come. Okay? We're for the people. And the people here are lovely. So this road actually leads to a very, 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 very nice location. And this on weekends here, what I found out also is that a lot of people leave the city of Bissau and they come to the countryside here to have a chocho, which is like if your father or mother have died even a year ago, you would have a weekend of celebration. So even down further, we saw loads of that. And you can tell by the garments that some of the people are wearing. They're wearing these patterns that are hand woven. They're very, very bright colors, and they wrap them around the waist. You know. But this was just early morning. This was like 9 in the morning, and as you can see, people are up. More cashew plantation on my left. These people, they're selling breakfast on the right, and the van is making rattly ding noise. But as you can see, cashew. And for those that do not know, Guinea-Bissau is the second largest exporter of cashew. You know, so this is their main crop. So you will see loads of cashew plantations everywhere. So this has caused for land to be a bit more expensive than Gambia. In certain places, there are cheaper lands, but they're difficult to find. See? And that's the toko toko. They're always loaded. Let me tell you, you want to make some money in Guinea-Bissau here, come get a toko toko. Let's go to the countryside. Yeah, over here on my left, that's a school. Look at school. And these people are waiting for buses because they're going further south. They're going to Blum and places like that. Yeah. Oh, you see on the right there in the blue drums, in the left, sorry. So if you look back on the left in the blue drums, you can see those are cashew wine. So every family makes cashew wine. Every family. So you will see the cashew wine under every cashew tree. Not every. In the yard of people that own cashew. That's what I should have said. But you know, this is unedited. I am not going to edit nothing. So if I make mistakes, you're going to hear mistakes. You know? Yeah. This guy on the motorcycle, you know, I was in front of him. When there's water, he pulled back. Now he's sped up. Now he's gone. But yeah. So I think this area here now, we're going to Quinhamel. I think, yeah, Quinhamel or Bissa. So Quinhamel, yes, look on your map. You've got Google Map. Open your Google Map and you'll see Quinhamel. And below Quinhamel, you see Quinhamel. Bucomil. So this area here we're going to is Quinhamel. Then after Quinhamel you have Bissa. So that's where we're heading. Yeah, yeah. So that's where we are right now. We're at Quinhamel. See, he's going to he's going to I think it's pronounced Choto. Yeah. I think so. If I'm wrong, then someone can correct me. And preferably someone from Guinea-Bissau. Because you keyboard warriors look on Wikipedia and then type in some stuff that doesn't make any sense. So no keyboard warriors correcting me, please. Not today. Yeah, because a lot of you do not know what you're saying. You know? Yeah, that's a nice house, you know. You see this house here on the left? It's a big house. You people may think it's a small house. It's a big house. Inside, it's very large. I can't pay nothing for that in England for that size. And this area here, I just love this. The village is under the trees. So you enter, you see, look as I enter. Wow, it's like entering a different world. Look at it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful for me. Beautiful. Look at the pigs. Hey, don't worry. In a few months, you'll be somebody's dinner. Yeah. See, so we just enter that tree and just enter the different world. Yeah. So these are very big houses. So you people in the West like, Africa is poor. What's the definition of poor? They've got bigger houses than you. So what, you've got a car that you're paying for? Yes, but yeah, let me stop that. Yeah, so this area here is a lot of mango trees. A lot of mango trees. And I'll be coming back. Some of you would say civilization, but it's not civilization. I'm leaving civilization now and heading towards the Estrada Principal, the main road. So out of courtesy, I put my camera back into the vehicle because I do not believe in just pointing my camera at anybody like these other people. So I prefer to keep my camera, well, like when I get to areas like here, Unless I've got, oh, that's my friend right there with the yellow hair. So you all have probably seen her before. But yes, I do not just like exposing and putting my camera in people's face. It's not nice. But for me, I would give up London and New York for this type of life. Kick back and chill. And I guess that's enough of my dirt road driving. And I'm back on the main road here. Yeah, so let me see any of these people. No. Yeah, so this is just a nice little drive now. I think it's enough time that I will shut up, because you know what asphalt road look like, and there's a palm tree on the right, and there's a mango tree on the left, and there's a palm tree on the right, there's another palm tree on the right, there's a girl walking on the left, and there are people walking on the left, and there's a big house on the right. I don't know what that is, you know. I don't know what it is. If it's a school or whatever. But it looks like a school. It's big. So if you look on my right, it looks like a school. That's big. Yeah. These people are heading. Why that girl turned her back? She didn't want me to see her face. But yes, so enjoy the final few minutes of this video of me shutting up. And labor means a ride. The people wanted a ride, so they kept on saying labor, 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 meaning that they want a ride. And idiot me was looking on Google Maps, looking for where is labor. Everybody's going labor. Everybody. We passed hundreds of people that were going towards labor. And labor means ride. I do not know if it's Pel, Creole, Atlanta, but I found out it meant ride. Idiot me. See, that's why keyboard warriors, you do not know everything. I did not know that. So I said it was, oh, so you see, oh, where I just passed on the left. So I guess if you rewind, on my left you see a bunch of blue drums. Those are cashew wine. So they brought them from inside of the bush. As you can see on my left, there's a bunch of cashew trees. So they brought the cashew wine from in there and brought it out. So thank you for coming along the journey with me. And this is my drive around southern Guinea-Bissau. Very nice area. See you next episode.